Hello friends, today I am sharing a Oreo blueberry cheesecake recipe with you, which is a healthier version of the Oreo blueberry cheesecake because it has a fewer calories than the market bought or whatever you make with the whipped cream and cream cheese. Because I use yogurt as a main ingredient with the some quantity of the cream cheese, like only 2-3 cheese cube, because yogurt has a 1/4 of calorie in comparison to cream cheese and the almost 1/4 calorie in comparison to whipped cream. So I can say you should try this and enjoy this recipe. All the details are given in the description box also, so you can check there all the recipe options, different option also I have mentioned there. So let's start the recipe. First check the ingredient. This cheesecake is mainly made in the 3 layers. The base layer is made with the Oreo biscuits. I separated half of the cream from the cookies and I just kept it for using in the cream cheese layer, and half I just used in the with the biscuit only and made a biscuit crumb, and I kept it for the later use. To make a blueberry compote, I just use the blueberries, fresh blueberries with the 1 cup water and the sugar, and I just cook it till I get the thick jam like consistency, because I don't want to use any gelatin or any setting agent. That's why I just made it so thick. It will set itself only. If you want to use agar agar or gelatin, so you can make a thin solution and then add the gelatin or agar agar in this. For the cream cheese layer, I use the 1 cup thick yogurt, which I get from the I just hang the yogurt in the cloth for the overnight, and then I get 3 cream cheese cubes I used. This is the tin which I used to make the cheesecake. It's a small tin. I am showing you with the this tin also, and the individual serving also. You can make it into a small glasses, the whichever way you want to make. First we will whip the cream cheese, yogurt and the cream from the cookies what we got, and just make it like a whipped cream. Then I will take half of the yogurt and some 1 or 2 tablespoon of blueberry compote we made, and we just grind it to make to get a thick paste. You can see like this, and then we will mix it with the whole whipped yogurt, and we'll get the cream cheese layer. I have not added any extra sugar to this because I like the mild sweet, and it's enough for me to get the sweetness from the compote and the cream biscuit cream. You can add extra sugar if you want. Now for first layer we will take the biscuit crumb and we will add little butter in this, and then we will arrange in the lined cake tin. This is a spring form tin so that the base can be removed easily. We will prepare first layer with the biscuit crumb. Evenly we will spread on the bottom of the cake tin or glasses, whatever you are using, and you can prepare this layer in the advance before we start making the cream cheese for the cream cheese layer, like whipping and all, so that it will be set in the time being when the for the second layer the material is ready. So you can keep it you can do it in the advance before starting for the cream cheese layer. Now after setting we will add the cream cheese to this, and we will tap the our cake tin so that we get the even and there is no air bubble into the cream cheese layer. At this point we need to set it in the refrigerator, or when it's after like 3 and 4 hours you need to set it. Then we will add the blueberry compote as a top layer. In cake tin I use the blueberry compote. I have used the full blueberry compote without making any paste or something, because I like the blueberry pieces in that. And in glass I am showing after using, I just passed this blueberry compote with the sieve so that I get the thin gelatin like consistency, and it's make a layer like a gelatin what we get into the market. So it's up to you how you want. I used in the both way. One is with the blueberry pieces and one without blueberry pieces. So when the second layer is set, we will add the third layer, and this preparation you should do 1 day before. It's always better to set it overnight into the refrigerator whenever you are making the cheesecake, so then you get the best result. Before serving, just demold the cheesecake in the platter with whatever platter you want to use. Do it carefully without spoiling any shape for this. Hope you like this recipe. If you like my recipes, please like and subscribe my channel. I have shared one more healthier cheesecake, mango cheesecake, which I made with the yogurt and paneer, and the base is also made with the dry nuts and the dates mixture. So that is more healthier than this recipe. You can check that recipe also. If you like my recipe, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Just go through my other recipes too. I will keep sharing the healthier recipe with you, as I always like to convert the recipes into the healthier version so that we can enjoy it without any guilt. Thank you so much.